In this video, I'm excited to share with you one of our team's success stories. In this case that I'm going to tell you about today, we had a client who was charged with a felony drug possession charge, a misdemeanor obstruction of a law enforcement officer charge, and a criminal trespass charge. And we were able to get all of those charges dismissed. So in this particular case, we had a client who had a lot at stake. She was pursuing a career in the medical field. She had a lot of opportunities ahead of her. She had never been in any trouble with the law before. And we were able to go through and give her some advice on some things to be working on while her case was pending. She was able to go through and do certain things like counseling and some other things that were important. And we were able to show the prosecutor kind of the type of person that she was beyond just the charges that she was dealing with. And so by doing that, we were able to show the rehabilitation that she had done, the treatment she had done, the circumstances and facts surrounding the case and why it wasn't exactly the way it looked, and also the potential impacts that having this charge on her record could potentially have on her future and her promising career that she had ahead of her. And by virtue of that, we were able to get the case dismissed. And I'm going to show you here so you don't have to take my word for it. We had this charge right here. It lists what all the charges are as far as the criminal trespass, the obstruction of a law enforcement officer, and the felony possession. It goes through and notes that the case was ultimately dismissed. The other exciting thing about this particular case was that not only were we able to get it dismissed, we were also able to get the court records sealed. And so you can see here, so that same case number on it that the other document I showed you had as far as the warrant number and the charges, and it's actually got an agreement from the prosecutor's office to seal this case. And so that helps our client hugely, not only being able to get it dismissed, but get it sealed so that it minimizes who can find out about this case. It limits the access to the court records that this case even existed, the law enforcement records that this case even existed. And that's a huge help to somebody who's never been in trouble before and wants to make sure that they minimize who can find out about their record and their case in the future. You know, every case is different. Not every case results in a dismissal. Not every case is a case that can get sealed. But our team is focused on trying to minimize the long-term impacts that a criminal case has on somebody's future to give them the opportunity to achieve their full potential and be the best person that they can be. If you're dealing with a criminal charge, whether it's a drug charge or any other kind of charge, and you think you need help to try to protect your future, please contact our office for a complimentary defense strategy meeting to learn how we can help.